After replacing your car battery, the TPMS light often illuminates. The car's ECU loses the sensor IDs due to a power reset. Sensors inside tires transmit pressure data wirelessly. Battery replacement triggers a power reset, wiping stored TPMS data. This is normal and requires a TPMS relearn to resync sensors. Don't worry, it doesn't mean something is broken. There are several ways to perform a TPMS relearn. Some cars automatically relearn after a short drive. Others require manual relearn using tools. Some manufacturers offer relearn procedures via smartphone apps. Some cars automatically relearn after a short drive. Usually, driving at a consistent speed of 25 to 50 miles per hour for about 10 to 20 minutes will do the trick. Others require a manual relearn using an OBD2 scanner or a TPMS reset tool. Some manufacturers, like Ford, offer relearn procedures via their smartphone apps, such as Ford Pass. Wireless relearn via smartphone apps is becoming increasingly common, with over 70% of 2025 models supporting it. The method varies by vehicle. Consult your owner's manual for the specific procedure. The key is to re-establish communication between the sensors and the car's computer, ensuring accurate tire pressure readings. Always consult the owner's manual to avoid ECU damage.